Ready? Go.
Play.
ALPHABOTS Assemble.
Part 1.
Meanwhile, at the Universal Solar System Intergalactic Planetary Space Station. It's so quiet out here in space, Cheetor. Soundwave, pump up the volume. Dance party. Shut up the music, Soundwave. The boss is calling. Hello, Opto. Hello, Grimlock and Cheetor. There is an emergency in the universe. Megatron is coming. We must gather the ALPHABOTS and assemble them to make the 3 ultimate ALPHABOTS and put a stop to Megatron once and for all. How we do that, boss? The ALPHABOTS are spread across the fabric of space-time, but if you say their name and their sound, they will come to you. That's easy, boss. Is it, Grimlock? Is it really that easy? Meow. Okay, boss. We'll give it a best shot. Farewell, my friends. Optimus Prime, over and out. Talk to you later, Opto. Meow. Okay, Grimlock, let's do this. Okay, here we go.
A makes it sound. Okay. A is for astronaut. B makes it B sound. Transformation. B is for ball. B, 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 B. Letter B, B, B. Letter C. C makes a K sound. C is for cat. By letter C. D. D makes a dog sound. D is for dance. E makes it sound. Let's go. E is for eggs. Let's go. E. F. F makes a F sound. It transforms. F is for friends. G makes a G sound. Okay. G is for guitar. H makes a H sound. H is for hair. I make the sound. I is for ice cream.
Hey, Cheetor, look. The ALPHABOTS, they're doing something.
Wow! Looks like they're assembling into the first ultimate alphabot.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Wow. That was cool.
Wow! Let's do it again.
Hey, cool kids. This is your righteous robot friend, Bumblebee. I just want to say you're doing a great job learning the alphabet, and with, well, just about everything else in life, so keep it up. If you want to see Grimlock and Cheetor assemble the rest of the ALPHABOTS, just hit that subscribe button. Bumblebee? What's up, Opto? Don't forget to tell them. Oh, yeah. I love doing this. Roll out. Bye-bye now.
Ready, go play.